Hi there, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, May the 10th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles. Sudoku with 3 stars. This is really a 3 stars. As Sudoku with 4 stars. Well, this one is not 4 stars, 2 stars. 3 puzzles are left. Tectonic with 4 stars, binary puzzle, and the killer Sudoku. First, I will solve for you, boys and girls, the binary puzzle number 4532. 4532. Before I start, I always count the printed boxes. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Well, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8x8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Well. And now. Let me see. Double O, here one, there one. No, we need to think now. We need to think or compare. Double one here. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Overlooked. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. So we have one complete row. 1, 2, 3, 3 columns. Well, this column and that column I can compare. 1, empty box. 1, empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Okay. Then 101, yeah. This row and that row. 1, empty box. 1, empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Okay. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then 1, 2, 3. I'm thinking. Yeah, too good. This row and that row. Empty box. 1, 1, 1, 1, empty box. So we need to switch these to the 1. This one. Yes. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Need to compare, not again. Yeah, not again. Well, this row and the last row again. Oh, 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 1, 1, 1, 1, oh, oh. Empty box, 1, 1, empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Finish in 5 minutes. A lot of comparing, but we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. The Killer Sudoku and the Tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.